As your morning alarm blares, you groan and think, "Why did I set this so early?" While brushing your teeth, another thought pops up. "I need a haircut." Or do I? Rushing out the door, you reach for your keys, only to realize they're missing. Frustrated, you mutter, "I can't do anything right," just as your neighbor catches you talking to yourself. We've all been there. And while talking to yourself might feel awkward, maybe even embarrassing, some people still believe it's a sign of mental instability. But decades of psychological research show otherwise. In fact, self-talk is completely normal. Almost everyone engages in some form of it every single day. But why do we talk to ourselves? And does what we say really matter? Self-talk is the internal dialogue running through your mind, often called inner speech. It's different from simply recalling facts or imagining things. Psychologists define self-talk as verbalized thoughts directed at yourself or your experiences. For example, it includes personal coaching, like "I need to work on my free throw," but it also covers everyday reflections, like "the gym is packed, I'll come back tomorrow." While most adults keep self-talk silent, speaking out loud also falls into this category. In fact, psychologists believe we start talking to ourselves out loud as children. In the 1930s, Russian psychologist Lev Vygotsky theorized that this vocal self-talk helps kids develop problem-solving skills and emotional control. As they grow, this external dialogue shifts inward, forming a lifelong internal conversation. We know self-talk plays a critical role in planning, working through challenges, and staying motivated. But studying it can be tricky since it happens spontaneously, often without conscious awareness. Scientists are still exploring key questions like, why do some people engage in self-talk more than others? What brain regions are activated during self-talk? How does self-talk differ from regular conversation? One thing we do know is that what you say to yourself matters. Studies show that instructional and motivational self-talk can improve focus, boost self-esteem, and enhance performance. For instance, a study on collegiate tennis players found that those who incorporated instructional self-talk into their practice improved both concentration and accuracy. Similarly, just as venting to a friend can help reduce stress, speaking kindly to yourself can help you regulate emotions. One especially powerful technique is distanced self-talk, where you address yourself in the third person. Instead of thinking, "I'm going to crush this exam," you might say, "Alex, you're prepared for this test." Research shows that this method can significantly reduce stress in high-pressure situations like public speaking or meeting new people. While positive self-talk can be a game changer, negative self-talk can be just as damaging. Everyone has self-doubt from time to time, but constant, overly critical inner dialogue can become toxic. Studies show that persistent negative self-talk is linked to higher anxiety levels in both children and adults. People who habitually blame themselves or ruminate on failures are more likely to experience intense feelings of depression. This is where cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, comes in. CBT is a psychological approach that helps people recognize and reframe negative thought patterns. By shifting self-talk to a more neutral or compassionate tone, individuals can gradually improve their mental well-being. The next time you catch yourself talking to yourself, remember, it's completely normal. More importantly, how you speak to yourself shapes your mindset, emotions, and even your success. So choose words that lift you up rather than tear you down. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Stimulating Minds. Let's continue this journey of self-discovery together.